Okay guys, today we've got a follow-up review for Royal Beardsmen. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards and mustaches. We do some product reviews and some unboxings, and we have a beard advice series where you guys can send in a couple of pictures to me to the email address you see below. Take a look at it for a few weeks. You get featured in your own beard advice series video, so check that out if you haven't. Allergies. Today we're doing a follow-up video for the Royal Beardsmen. They were part of our Epic Mustache Challenge a few weeks back with Matt from No BS, and we did a live stream on Instagram, and they sponsored it, and they were giving away some mustache waxes. And guys, for me, out of the products they sent me, this mustache wax really helps me. I use this one every day. It's unscented, but I'll tell you, when I first got it, because of the white beeswax in it, it's kind of like a refined beeswax. All of the honey smell, all of the color is taken out of it. It had a little bit of I guess I would say it's been sanitized, so it had it wasn't a cleaner smell, but it smelled like stuff had been sterilized. So reminiscent of maybe a plastic kind of smell. And I still smell that a little bit, but the more I use it, I think it's just because it was brand new. But it is unscented. Once you put it in your mustache, if you do smell it, it goes away within like 5 minutes, so it doesn't clash with anything else that you have on. And the best thing about this white beeswax, I'm seeing it on some other beard balms and stuff, beard waxes and those kind of things, is it's super creamy. So it emulsifies very well in the tips of your fingers without having bits and pieces that you get to spread through your mustache. So this has been my go-to. This is a firm hold, but it's also creamy enough that you don't have to use the hair dryer or anything like that on it. So if you are into mustache waxes, this one is a must-have. It's a 1 ounce, and it's got the screw top. Okay, so I highly recommend that one. I can't remember how much it is. Hold on. $12.95. Okay, and it'll last you months and months. A 1 ounce tin of mustache wax, but I've already put a hurting on this one because I've been using it about twice a day. I also have a video of me applying this wax, kind of my morning mustache routine. I love allergies. So check that out. I'll be posting that one very soon if it's not already up. All right. And then I have 2 of their scents. I got oil and balm combinations for their newest scent release, which was the Cavalier. And as I look through some of their scents on their website, a lot of them, they're from Florida. I just kind of think tropical, kind of fruity, Caribbean kind of scents. I see a lot of citrus and a lot of coconut and pineapple and lemons and limes and all that kind of stuff. So if you're into those kind of scents, I think Royal Beardsmen is the way to go. And by the way, this is one of the only companies to still offer the 2 ounce beard oil, so it's going to last you a long time. If you're have a big beard you like to use a lot, and you're using full droppers or 2 at a time, if you use one of these droppers, that's a long dropper. So one of these droppers will probably do you well. Let me give you the prices on these. So it's $18.95 for 2 ounces. All right, so you're getting double the amount of product for about the same price. And for the balm, it is $15.95 for a 2 ounce. All right, so great prices, great products. I don't think they have a combo kit. Let me double check. No, they don't have just a combo kit, so you can buy those separately. Always make sure, guys, that you're following these guys, all these beard companies on Instagram. A lot of times they may have sales and those kind of things. But the Cavalier is, the scent profile on that one is warm vanilla, citrus, cinnamon, and several light tones to build complexity. Sounds great. And I think a lot of people will like this one. For me, when it says warm vanilla and citrus, the citrus I get out of it is more of a lemony citrus, and I was kind of hoping it would be more of the orangey citrus. So I'm not a huge fan of the lemony lime kind of citrus. So for me, this one was not my favorite out of the 2 that I received. I'll still wear it, but like I said, you pick favorites. I got 2 of them, so I like the other scent better. And once again, this got the white beeswax. So this is a medium hold. All right, straight down the middle, medium, maybe about a 3 out of 5. And I can still smell that white beeswax, or it might be the lemony scent. I'm getting more of the lemon off of it when I smell the balm on the Cavalier. Okay, and then the other one that I received was the Tortuga Bay. This one I like a lot better. So this one is bay leaves, rum, spices, and cinnamon to develop our own take on bay rum. So the great thing I like about a bay rum scent is it's got a little bit of that sweetness to it. And this one is really nice. You get kind of a warm, sweet vanilla cinnamon kind of scent. And I really do like this one. So this one is Tortuga Bay, so check that one out. By the way, the ingredients, there is a lot of good ingredients in this, so I'll read this quickly, but it says virgin argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, pumpkin seed oil, hemp seed oil, scented with premium essential oils. That's just about a drop the mic kind of thing there. That's some good carrier oils. And by the way, just on the balm, just to make sure you guys know about that, it's naturally refined shea butter, the pure white beeswax I was telling you about, virgin argan oil, and then basically all the other oils that were in this. So I won't waste my breath trying to read all of that. Okay, but great products. By the way, they've got a lot more scents to choose from. And they've got samplers, right? So if you want to get a little vial of all of their different oils, it is, I think it's $18.95, and you can get a sample of all of them. I always love it when companies offer those little kind of about a dram size samplers. You get to test out everything, because many times I found that the scents that I thought I would like better, I actually didn't. I like some other scents that I may not have thought I was going to like. So always take advantage of that. If you've never tried out a company, get their samplers of oils and try out their scents, and then go back and reorder, because nobody likes wasting money. Okay, but for me, the star of the show is this mustache wax, because I use it all the time. But let me read you a couple of the other scents. So you've got Cavalier, which we did, Tortuga Bay, those are the 2 we did. Bonfire Brandy, a lot of people have been talking about that one. It's got the little smoke in it. Crusaders Coast, that's got your pineapple and coconut. Dragon Spice, I see like vanilla and cinnamon. Forbidden Orchard, got orange and lemon. Keen's Lagoon, I see lemon, lime, and coconut. Pinewood Forest, there's your woodsy one. The Sire, and then they do have an unscented. I always like when they give you the option of an unscented, especially if you're looking for a balm or something to go on top, if you really like their balms. The Sire, I'm trying to see what that one is. Oh, that one is the cologne scent. So they've got lots of different choices. And then the Whiskey Glaze, I see like a Krispy Kreme donut and a glass of brandy. That sounds great too. So highly recommend you guys check out the Royal Beardsmen. Highly recommend the mustache wax. They've got great oils and balms with great ingredients. They've got a lot of scents to choose from. You guys check them out and tell them I sent you. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.